Alright guys. Guys, welcome back to the channel. We are at AMP, which is Atlanta Motorsports Park. Jay Zilla is having a track day today and they opened up the skid pad. So we got a few Beamers here. We're gonna go out, have a few runs, capture the footage, and share it with you guys. Hope you guys enjoy. I don't need this today, but when you go out on the track, you actually need to make sure that your helmet is rated properly. So you see this SA 2020, that's good for 10 years. Newer helmets will have SA 2025 on them. Again, good till 2035. And then of course you can customize your helmet to your liking as you get to different track days. It's always cool to have the stickers on there. Right now I'm gonna go out, I'm gonna have the car in rear wheel drive mode. I'm gonna have it in the fastest shift setting, and all the safety controls and traction controls are off. So we're gonna see how she does. Really excited to get her out there. Let's go, guys. All right, guys, we are gonna get up there and see how this goes. Most important thing is to not get frustrated. This is not as easy as you think it is, even with a wet track. To be very careful. A little bit better that time. I almost got the whole yeah, so lower circle.
Like the 1 o'clock position, like the car just unglues itself for whatever reason. There's like a spot there.
Oh, let me see if he can hop in.
By like 4 o'clock, if you're going that direction, you're going around.
You want to hop in?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, look at the seats, dude. The seats
Thank
are
you.
Nice, dude. Oh
appreciate
my God, I love your seats. Way better.
Do you mind holding these two things?
Yeah,
I'm sorry.
No, no worries, man.
This just connects to my GoPro.
That's fine, I got you.
Hope you don't mind I'm recording this.
Hell no, let's do it.
And I'm getting so frustrated. The first time I go out, I'm spinning out. So I'm in first gear. This is rear wheel drive mode. I'm gonna try not to spin out. Give it just a little bit.
There you go.
I'm hearing a little bit of a knocking noise, but I don't know what it is. You hear it a little bit?
Yeah, I do, but I don't
think it's too concerning. Nothing's really happened so far.
I think everything's good.
All right, that wasn't too bad.
That's all right. No, you did freaking phenomenal.
Yeah, it actually doesn't want to go there, which is interesting.
So mine does the same thing.
Yeah,
You'll see when you get in mine.
Gets traction there, huh?
I think it's a traction control or like some kind of stability control or something. Yeah, mine does the same thing.
Yeah, it just doesn't want to spin there. Let's see if we can get close as possible to this storm grate. Try to do like smaller donuts. All right, I can initiate also with like a burnout.
Oh. That's traction control.
Yeah, but everything is off. It's crazy. It just still wants to grip up.
With mine, man. They're never off, really. It's enough to have a little bit of fun with it. That's about it. There you go. There you go. Fuck yeah, dude. That's fucking dope. So you did a good job.
Thanks, man. Let's try to do a 360.
Fuck yeah, dude. That was fucking dope. I loved it.
Thanks. All right, guys, hopping in the TTRS. Whew. This is an all-wheel drive car, but got all the nannies off, traction control, stability control off. He's able to adjust his boost with the JB4, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, so we should still be connected.
I've had a few JB4s and the Bluetooth connection doesn't always work. Sometimes I have to go away from the car, come back.
Still shaking.
It's all good.
same in map 1 right now.
Oh yeah.
So, and then you can go, and then I have 8 maps.
Yep.
So, wet methanol injected, this one, E85.
You have it on, you have meth on this?
Yes, you can put
That's, oh wow, jeez.
So, that's the map, and I can't run it unless I'm running like 110.
Octane.
Yeah, and then I can run it. But let's just drive it up to 2. That'll give me a little bit more power.
Sure. When I change maps, my blinkers turn on for some reason.
That's funny.
Woo!
Ready?
All right. Oh, nice. There you go. Yeah. How's that feel?
It feels good, but
Yeah?
it's like dying on me for sure.
Dying on? Yeah, it's cutting power. There you go. There you go.
So yeah, won't even spin it.
You want to try stability off and see how the difference is?
What's that?
You want to try stability off, see how the difference is?
Yeah, let's try that real quick.
Yeah,
Oops,
yeah, no worries, dude. If you're gonna use one hand, try both with the hands at 9 and 3, you know, and then like that's where the manhandling will come in. There you go. Yeah.
Now
So try both, and yeah. There you go. Another throttle, more throttle, more. Oh, okay, okay. Woo. All right. Yep, throttle, 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 throttle. Keep doing the throttle. Yeah. Okay, okay. So as you're throttling it, try manhandling it, like jerking it to left, jerking it to left, left, right, left, right.
Oh, shit.
You're good. There you go. Yep. There you go. Yep. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there you go. A little bit to the left, a little bit to the left. Left, 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 left. Yep, left. Woo-hoo! You're getting it. You're getting it for sure. Ha-ha! That was a lot of fun, man. Dude.
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
Oh, yeah.
I had to show off for the other season.
Yeah. Thanks for the ride, man.
Fuck yeah, dude. Thank you for the ride. That was awesome. Dude, you gotta drive it.
Oh, yeah.
That's pretty good.
He was getting it at the end.
He did like that, it come off. I got it. Yes, it fucking did.
She said we came up on 2 those.
I thought y'all were fucking rolling. Serious.
We were in it, bro. We were in it.
Do you want to try if you don't mind if I hop in? All right,
Drive, let's go.
let's do it.
Alright, let's fucking do this.
You don't mind I adjust the seat a little bit?
You do whatever you gotta do, brother.
This is a beautiful car, man.
Thanks, brother. Man, I fucking love your seats, though. And you have carbon fiber, you bastard, on your seats.
Yeah, but I don't have a Bang & Olufsen system. That's pretty dope.
Yeah, it's pretty.
It's clean,
It's fucking dope.
pretty crisp.
It's like 13 speakers or some stupid shit.
Let's see how this. So now we're got everything pretty much in dynamic, right? Except the suspension's on automatic.
You can adjust it. So if you go right here,
Yep.
see how I'm shaking?
It's all good.
So go to this.
Yep.
And then hit over right there. And then you can adjust whatever you want.
I'm just gonna make the suspension comfort for right now. And steering, well, comfort.
So dynamic is race in this one. I don't know
Ooh.
what
Okay, yeah. So everything else is pretty much in dynamic.
I'm not sure what they call in BMW. What is it, like sport?
Sport.
Plus.
Yeah, sport and then sport plus.
So in this one, it's like individual mode, dynamic, which is race.
All right, guys, we are in a TTRS at the skid pad. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Enjoy it.
What was the name again?
Miguel?
Miguel, thank you. Romy, this is an incredible experience. There's only, I think, 100 of these in this color, this green.
This color, yeah. Kyalami green.
Kyalami green. That's so funny. The interior of my car is Kyalami orange.
Oh, nice. That's perfect.
we have a JB4 on the car. It is set up in mostly dynamic mode, except for the steering and the suspension is on comfort. We have it in full manual and sport. This is a dual clutch transmission, so it'll feel a lot, I think, faster than my car shifting, but it's all-wheel drive, so it's been quite an experience to see how it is breaking loose.
Man, here we go. I guess we're good?
Yep. All right.
Let's do it. It's crazy, right?
Yeah,
It just wants to grab.
it does. Maybe give it more, huh?
Yeah, you gotta really get it. There you go. Now you go. When that rear kicks in,
Over there, it actually just grips up.
it does.
You were doing great.
It's hard, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, look at you. There you go.
It doesn't want to get the back out at all.
It doesn't. You gotta really hit it to get the back out. Like stomp that much. See what I'm saying? There you go.
Let's see how we... Woo! Let's try to go the other way.
It just wants to grab. It just wants to go straight.
Yeah, wait, hold on. Let's try it one more time. All right. I'm gonna try turning it around. For some reason, it goes on the left side.
It does.
It doesn't go on the right side.
Yeah, it wants to break free on this side for sure. Now
Oh man. Oh man. All right. Sorry.
you're fine. Fuck yeah, that's right there. He's calling us in, I think.
Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, dude. Thank you. That was
It's freaking awesome. You like it?
I do.
Fuck yeah, dude.
It's like a mind fuck because you don't really you expect the car to go and it just wants to fight you all the way, you know?
It definitely does. It fights the whole entire way. It wants to go straight for some damn reason. It just don't want to go sideways.
Did you have an instructor hop in with you at all?
No, I didn't.
Oh, okay. See,
No, that's my first
maybe
time
one of
on
these-
this.
Really? Yeah.
I swear.
Thank you, man.
Of course, dude. Fuck yeah.
All right, guys, here we go again. that side. Okay guys, this is gonna be my last run. Skid pad is a lot more difficult than you might think it is. I think that's a GT350 out there. Let's have some fun right here, see what that's about. Like I said guys, harder than I thought. Gotta really feather the throttle. Let's try and get some donuts in. If I can initiate this and go to slide going, there we go. Right here's the hardest part. It always slips out. You guys probably could tell. The car just wants to do a 180 at that one point right around here. It's the hardest point to initialize. Not too bad that time.